This is Aisha of Decor Designs by Aisha, and I am so glad to be back. Well, as you all know, I don't know if you know or not, but this is Leo season. So do you know what Leo season is? Well, all of our birthdays are in August. My husband, myself, and my kids. So what this video is all about, and as you've seen in the title, I'm going to be making a birthday balloon wall. Now, I've made balloon walls before, and I'm going to be linking them right here or right here. It's going to be somewhere here in the card section as well as in the description box. So make sure you go and check out my balloon wall playlist so that you can see the other balloon walls that I have done. All right, but today I am going to be making another one, and I'm going to be using, I have 4 lamp stands here, so I'm going to be using the lamp stands, and I may use 2. It just depends on how big I make the wall. But as you see, there are different colors. I have 2 blacks and I have 2 grays. Now the reason why there are different colors is because when I went, I've had these now for about a year. When I went to purchase them, the store that I bought them from, they only had 2 black ones left and they only had 2 gray ones. And at the time I needed 4 lamp stands, and I didn't want to go searching for them or anything, so I went ahead and bought those. But you know what, that's the easy fix. If you get them like this and you you need them all the same colors, you can easily spray paint them or anything like that or something like that. But I'm not going to do that. All right, now as you see right here, this is the part that you screw on top of these here to make it taller. Now I took these down because I did something else with the lamp stands where, when I did the graduation, the graduation balloons that I did for my daughter. I'm going to be linking the graduation setup that I did also, and just in case, you may want to see it. But these here, as you see, you can take them off. You can make the lamp stands taller, or you can make them shorter. And if you take these off, that makes them shorter, and if you add them back, that makes it taller. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these back onto my my stands here, and give you a look of how it looks. It just has a bottom here, all right, and this is the actual lamp stand. Okay, it actually came with the lamp and all of that, but I cut all of that off because I just needed the stand part. All right, so let me show you the balloons that I'm going to be using. Now I ordered these balloons from my favorite place, which is Simpertex Balloons Online. Now I have different balloons. I have Callison balloons. I've never worked with Callison balloons before, but I'm going to be working with them today to do this balloon wall. Now these are 12-inch mirror rose gold balloons. You can see that there. And I have like 4, I think I have 4 packs of those that I'm going to be using. So let me go ahead and get my trusty balloon pump. All of the links will be in the description box below if you would like to purchase these. Again, these are from Balloons Online. All right, so let's get started. Everyone, so here is one that I did. I decided to do one just to make sure that everything turned out the way it should. This balloon wall is for my birthday. I am going with rose gold this year. I love rose gold. I love gold. Just beautiful colors. I absolutely love. So rose gold is going to be my color this year. So I just wanted you to see how this looks. All right, so this is another one that I have, and you can really see the powdery substance on here. And like I said, I just took them out the pack. This is the pack that I took them out of. And there's a lot of them that are sticking together in here that I had to pull apart. And once I pull them apart, they have this substance on it that you see right here. Okay. And I've been working with balloons for many years, but I've never experienced this type of substance before. As you see here, can you see that? And it goes all the way down. All right, so I just want to let you know, just in case you decide to buy these balloons, so you won't open them up and be surprised. Okay. All right, so in order to make my balloon wall, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my pairs. I have 2 pairs here, and I'm just going to connect them together just like so. All right. And I'm going to use the necks to tie each one of them together, and I'm going to put it on the lamp stand just like I did that one. Okay? All right. All right, so now I'm going to take the neck of the balloon and just attach this neck to the neck of this balloon here. All right, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm doing just like this. Okay, you can see I'm attaching the 2 necks together. All right, and I'm just going to tie it just like so. You see, it comes out like this right here. With making my balloons. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my balloons to alright, so I'm going to add my balloons to my second pole here, and I actually made these a little longer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some balloons to the other ones also. So what I'm going to do is just take them, start here at the bottom. Now different people may do differently, but I'm going to start at the bottom and just wrap mine around my lamp stand. Just like this. Alright, and just continue to go up. Just like so. Just wrap it around the lamp pole. Other one, just like that. All right, let's just see how it looks. All right, so I'm going to finish the other 2, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect all of them together to make a wall, and then I'm going to put my 24-inch, I think these are 24. No, I'm going to put my 21-inch balloons on. Okay. All right, everyone, so as you see, I am done, and I did do 4. I'm going to do all 4 of my lamp stands, and as you see, I have went ahead and did all of my balloons. These balloons are absolutely gorgeous, and I know I showed you how some of the balloons had like it was really thick powder on it. To me, it was more powder than I've ever seen some of the balloons have, but I did not have one of them to burst. So I absolutely love these Callison balloons. I just want to put that out there. But I'm going to go ahead and show you, I've showed you how I did this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 balloons on the left. your balloon wall or to attach it, you can either use fishing line, which I have the 20-pound fishing line, or you can use rubber bands. Now, what makes it easier for me is to use rubber bands. I think I've used fishing line before in some of the other ones that I've done, but with this one, I tried it with the fishing line off camera, and I don't know, I just couldn't get it right for some reason. So I have these rubber bands, and I'm just going to attach them, put them together with the rubber bands. Now, if fishing line works best for you, that's what you use, okay? You don't have to use rubber bands. You can use fishing line. You can use 160, 263, so whatever it works for you, that's what you can use, okay? But I'm going to show you how I'm going to work with these rubber bands. All right, so you want to make sure that your balloons, your lampshades are together. You want to make sure that they are, you know, as close together as possible, because this is what actually builds your wall. So you can just choose whatever, I'm going to choose whatever balloon I see that's best for me and that will, you know, attach them together. And don't be afraid to pull on the balloon. They won't pop, okay? They shouldn't pop anyway. So I hope you've seen how I did that, and you know, this is how it looks so far. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going with attaching it with the rubber bands. Okay, I'm going to show you how to attach it at the bottom. I hope I wasn't in the way. I attached this balloon to this one here, over here on this side, okay? All right, everyone, so now I'm going to show you my balloon wall, and here it is right here. I have went ahead and attached everything with rubber bands. All right, y'all, so I'm going to be using this Let's Party sign that I got from Amazon. All the links will be in the description box below. I'm going to be using these flowers. I have hydrangeas and some eucalyptus. And I'm also going to be using these bigger balloons. They're 21-inch, and I think I might add the 24-inch balloons, all right? sure you be careful when you place your flowers around your wall, okay? So they won't bust the... Alright, so here's the Let's Party sign that I was showing you. And I ordered this one when I ordered my old baby sign that I had in my baby shower video that I will be linking for you to watch. So I'm just going to put it right here in this area somewhere. And then I have a plug back here so I can plug it up. And I always like to hide my cord, okay? So here's my balloon wall. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. All of the links will be in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in my next video.